Iran is reacting strongly to the American attacks on its nuclear facilities, warning of consequences. Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi spoke in Istanbul on Sunday.
The Islamic Republic of Iran condemns in the strongest terms the United States' brutal military aggression against Iran's peaceful nuclear facilities. It is an outrageous, grave, and unprecedented violation of the fundamental principles of the Charter of the United Nations and international law. The warmongering and lawless administration in Washington is solely and fully responsible for the dangerous consequences and far-reaching implications of its act of aggression. The Islamic Republic of Iran calls on the Security Council to convene an emergency session to unequivocally condemn the criminal act of aggression by the United States against Iran and to hold the administration in Washington accountable for its violations of fundamental principles of United Nations Charter and of norms of international law. In accordance with the UN Charter and its provisions allowing a legitimate response in self-defense, Iran reserves all options to defend its security interests and people. Well, I think it is irrelevant to ask Iran to return to diplomacy because we were in the middle of diplomacy. We were in the middle of talks with the United States when Israelis blew it up. And again, we were in the middle of talks and negotiation with Europeans, happened only 2 days ago in Geneva, when this time Americans decided to blow it up. So we were in diplomacy, but we were attacked. I will have serious consultations with the Russian president tomorrow, and we continue to work with each other. Russia is also a permanent member of the Security Council, and we know that they were trying, together with China, to introduce a resolution to the Security Council for the cessation of hostilities. There is no red line that they have not crossed. And the last one, and the most dangerous one, happened only last night, when they crossed a very big red line by attacking nuclear facilities.
برای که امتیاز بیشتری بگیره. هدفش امتیاز. وقتی داریم مذاکره میکنی میخواد زورشو برسونه. میگه آقا من میتونم از شما هر امتیازی بخوام بگیرم و شما مجبورید که بشینید پای میز مذاکره. ولی این نباید باشه. ما مذاکره میکنیم ولی مذاکره در چارچوب قواعد و قوانین خودش، نه در چارچوب سوفی.